Tonight, 2 hiring strategies will compete. One will build your crew for spring, the other will waste your time. Join us and see who survives the spring hiring challenge. Spring's here, bids are stacking, your crew's already maxed. Welcome to the Spring Hiring Challenge. Today's top question: you're short 2 field guys, ghosted on interviews, you're losing production days. Regular recruiter, what's your plan?
We'll begin sourcing qualified candidates through our network. We'll send you thousands of generic resumes to look at. Our fee is 20% of the first year compensation, whether they last a year or not.
Okay, let's ask our other guest. TCC, what would you do?
With TCC, it's easier than that. We build the hiring funnel, we run the ads, we handle the first interview. You meet the top 2 and just say yes or no.
Okay, we're on the right track. Go on.
1 flat fee, all positions, construction only.
Huh? Ding, ding, ding! We have a winner! TCC, you just won the Spring Hiring Challenge. Any parting words?
Stop playing hiring games. Build your crew before the rush, not during it. Click below, book the call. Let's build your spring team.